Today we opened a new Melo ball for LaFrance.
All right, open it up. Look at that box. It's a nice box.
Oh.
Let's see what we got. Woo!
Oh, only the person who's holding it gets to open it.
We already saw it already. Look at the box. The box is cool, man. That's a cool box.
Want to see the shoes?
Yep, and we want to see the shoes. That's what they're here for. They're here to see the shoes, man. Show them the shoes. Show them the shoes. Woo!
Where's your shoes?
I didn't get any. Only you got them. What? And then look, there's a 4. You see, it has 1, 2, 3. See, you can count here. See, it says 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it says love right here, and then it says
Love Melos.
LaFrance, and then it has rare 1, and as people know, in all the older models, rare would be at the bottom of the shoe, but now at the bottom it says not from here. It's got the flames, and then look right up here. Look, it has a spaceship with a 1. You see that? Oh, look at the details right here. And then it says here, what does it say? It says, to be mellow is to be yourself. I mean, look at that details on these shoes. To be mellow is to be yourself. Look at that details, man.
Daddy, I like how it says, to be
mellow is to be yourself.
To be yourself.
Mm-hmm.
That's like believe in yourself.
Yep, exactly. Yep.
Oh, he's trying to say believe yourself.
And this says, right here, it says 1 of 1. And then our favorite logo right here with the 1 with the wings. 1 of 1. Just so much detail in these shoes. These shoes are dope, man.
Oh, look at the
look at the back. We forgot the back. Go in the back. The LF is for LaFrance.
Now look at the waves.
Yep, look at the waves. Then that's a form strip, the Puma form strip.
No, look at the wave. No,
Yep.
look at the air.
And it's got
No, look at the freeze side.
LF LaFrance.
Oh, look at it.
All right, show me thumbs up. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up. Now, what is your favorite Melos? The 1, the 2s, the 3s, or the 4s?
The 4s.
So the new ones are your favorite? So what we're going to do, guys, the next video, we're going to get the 1s, the 2s, the 3s, the 4s, and we'll compare them, okay? And we'll see which one you like the best. Deal?
Am I the judge?
Yep, you're the judge. You're going to judge the 1s, the 2, the 3, and the 4, which is the best.
Thank you for everybody for taking my video. Bye, and make sure you hit that thumbs up and a notification bell. And make sure to subscribe to Little Melo Fox. And make sure you believe in yourself and strive for success. Bye.